Hi, my name is Sydney Dillman. I'm a physiotherapist here at Mackey Physio. I am born and raised here in Saskatoon. One thing that kind of shaped me from my hometown was I played relatively competitive basketball, so that kind of sense of community really shaped me, kind of that connections in super small towns, so you almost know everyone and that type of thing. The moment I kind of knew that I wanted to become a physiotherapist, kind of funny enough, I debated between physio and chiro for several years and then had an opportunity to actually shadow Blaine and a couple of the senior therapists there in my first couple of years of university, and that kind of the ability to see how much of an impact that you make in just one single appointment and kind of the connections you build over time. I remember specifically there was an appointment with an older gentleman that Blaine had been seeing for over a decade, and he kind of just, his story really solidified that it was the career that I wanted to go down. The biggest energy boost is kind of seeing when patients hit that progress that they didn't think was quite possible, kind of seeing their confidence grow and just the challenges that they didn't expect they were able to achieve, and like watching them succeed is probably the biggest energy boost. My physiotherapy style, I very much am a believer that the patient's in the driver's seat. I'm kind of on the sidelines, making sure that they have the help and education that they need. So it's kind of that education is a big aspect of mine, especially in the early on, kind of empowering them and knowing what's going on in their body. And then from there, we can kind of do more of that manual treatment, strengthening based upon what's going on. But I think first and foremost, making sure they fully understand what's going on and kind of the route and plan moving forward. To me, great patient care is kind of meeting the patient where they're at, and then from there really listening and coming into an individual plan that actually works in their everyday life. Mackey Physiotherapy is good at doing this and making sure that we have time to actually listen, to fully individualize and incorporate what we're doing into your day-to-day life versus just a generic kind of this is what you do. It's more so just actually talking to the patients, making sure that we fully understand the bigger picture and then implementing what we need to do accordingly. So how I kind of blend manual therapy and strength training, I view manual therapy as kind of how we can get that change, get more movement, more comfortable, hopefully reduce pain, and then strength trainings kind of make sure that those things stick so that we can keep the strength and the movement within more range and stuff that we achieve through our manual therapy. And then to kind of make this more meaningful for patients, I think a big reason is explaining the why. Why are we doing manual? Why are we doing strengthening? How do they complement each other? And then from there, in my sessions, I kind of like to do a combination of both, get a little bit of manual, get the joint moving, get that kind of release, and then go straight into strength training, and then kind of go back and forth until we kind of at that beneficial level. What's really important for me is I hope patients feel safe and comfortable. We do see a lot of patients kind of in that vulnerable state, kind of a lot of uncertainty with injury, so I just want to make sure that they know someone's in their corner, they're welcome, I'm ready to listen, and we can kind of meet them where they're at. Something my friends would say I'm probably known for is my sense of humor. I'm notorious for making jokes, probably at bad times, but just like making sure laughter is part of that curing process. So definitely something I try and implement into sessions when appropriate, obviously, but yeah, definitely some sense of humor. Kind of one hobby I have outside of the clinic is I love being outdoors. I grew up going to the lake every weekend, so I try and get out camping if that's local or out to the mountains as much as possible, just kind of spend as much time outdoors. A small joy that always seems to make my day, kind of cliche, it's when you get home after work after a long day, kind of seeing how excited my puppy is to see me. It's kind of a reminder to appreciate the little things in life, that everything isn't that serious, and kind of just, yeah, reflect on the good things that's going on. Kind of a philosophy I live by is to get 1% better each day. This doesn't have to be in the same kind of areas or domains in life, but I think just trying to strive to be the best person and the best version of yourself, and doing that 1% a day. Progress isn't perfect, but making sure that you're consistent is kind of what's key. A big thing I want patients to take away with working with me is that they do have someone in their corner and that I do truly care. Kind of looking at them, a bigger picture, looking at the human versus the injury, and just making sure that they have the confidence and the tools to kind of self-manage as they need, and then I'm here whenever they kind of need an extra help, supporting hand. For those wanting to start the rehabilitation journey, it can definitely be overwhelming in the beginning, but you're not in it alone. I'm here to kind of meet you where you're at, and then from there kind of help build your confidence, strength, and control, and create a plan that fits into your everyday life.